Hi, I'm Chip. I'm with Spraymaster Technologies. We're going to show you a real simple video of how to use a central system. Real quick, let me tell you what a central system is. Much like a central vacuum system for your house, SMT central system is like that for pressure washing. There's a main unit in the back of the house. From there we pipe out stainless steel tubing down inside the wall out to remote stations. You might have a recessed remote station or a surface mount remote station, but they all essentially work the same. At the remote stations, you've got different selections. You can turn the system on, you can turn it off, and you can select different chemicals or rinse. We know that nobody else is using the system right now because the ready light is on. That means I can use it. So I'm going to connect. Most of you will have a portable hose reel like this with an umbilical cord. And you can connect to the remote station like that. Now, I'll take the gun and connect my hose. Just a simple quick coupler. Now I'm ready to use the system. Let me tell you about the nozzle real quick. This is a dual head nozzle. It means I've got two different selections. I've got low pressure and I've got high pressure. This is actually very simple. There's a ball bearing inside this housing. If I tilt that ball bearing and block this nozzle, I'll get low pressure. If I tilt the ball bearing this way, it blocks this nozzle. I get high pressure. It's that simple. Once I pull the trigger and lock that ball bearing in place, I can move the gun any way I want, and I'll show you how that's done. I'm going to turn the system on. I'm going to turn the nozzle and give it a little shake, and I've got low pressure. I use the low pressure to apply chemical. I shake the nozzle this way, and I've got high pressure. That's what I use to rinse and scrub. So let's apply our chemical. We're going to turn the soap on, select low pressure, pull the trigger, and now I can apply my soap. Now, make sure that you give soap the contact time that it needs to do its job. It's going to emulsify the grease, the dirts, so give it some time to do its action before you just go back in there and start rinsing and scrubbing. After it's had that contact time it's needed to do its job, you can select rinse, turn the system on, go to high pressure, and scrub and rinse. It's that simple. If I want to use a different chemical besides the soap, maybe a sanitizer, I can select that button and again turn the system on, select low pressure, and apply that. There's different chemicals that you can use. Make sure that you read the instructions from the chemical, make sure it's a safe chemical. You may need protective equipment. Whatever the chemical recommends you use, that's what you use. It's pretty much that simple. If you have any questions of how to operate it or how to dilute your chemicals or anything like that, give us a call. It's 800-548-3373. Thanks.